Right, in this video we're going to use a Venn diagram in order to solve a practical problem. Now I know this can actually be done without a Venn diagram, but you need to, in IGCSE, you need to be able to draw the Venn diagram to solve this type of problems. It says in a class of 30 students, 16 students like playing sport, 18 like playing computer games, whilst 5 students like neither. How many like playing sport only, playing computer games only, and playing both sport and computer games? So drawing a Venn diagram with two intersecting sets. So here we have the universal set. We have here those who represent those playing sport and those who play computer games. Right, as always, you should try to start in the middle and work your way outwards. So let X be the students who like playing both sport and computing. So we'll put an X in here. So we have here the number in S is equal to 16. So in here we need to write 16 minus X because both these totals here have to add up to 16. The number in C is 18. So in here we need to write 18 minus X because in here this has to add up to 18. We know that 5 students don't like playing either, that we can write like that. S union C but not it. S union C but not it, so it's going to be those out here. And so the number in the universal set is that there are 30 students altogether. So there are 30 students. So we need to form now an equation. So we can say 16 minus X plus 18 minus X plus 5 is equal to 30. Minus X plus X will cancel out. And then we've got 16 plus 18 plus 5, which is going to make 39. Minus X is equal to 30. Solving that, we're going to get that X is equal to 9. You can think of it this way, 39 minus X. What do you have to take away from 39 in order to get 30? The answer is 9. Going back, this is 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 18 minus 9 is 9. And now we can answer the questions. Those playing sports only, we should just do a little check first that 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 does make 30. Those playing sport only, so the number playing sport only, correct notation, and N, what you're considering in brackets. So the number that plays sport only is given by this region here, so that's going to be 7. The number playing computer games only is going to be this bit here, which is 9. And the number playing both will be this one here, which is 9 as well. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve a practical problem using a Venn diagram. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.